Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play word cookies. To begin, you'll see a tray of letters at the bottom of your screen and a grid of empty cookie slots above. Your main goal is to swipe and connect the letters in the tray to form valid words. Each word you find will fill a corresponding slot on the board. Complete all the slots to advance to the next delicious level. It's a fun and engaging way to expand your vocabulary. As you play, remember that you can swipe letters horizontally, vertically, or diagonally to form words. Most words you create will need to be at least 2 letters in length, though many levels require longer words. If you ever feel stuck, simply tap the Shuffle button. This handy feature rearranges the letters in your tray, often revealing new word combinations you might have missed. Don't hesitate to use it when you need a fresh look. To play more effectively, start by searching for shorter, common words. These often fill up a good portion of the board quickly. Also, keep an eye out for common prefixes like re or un and suffixes such as ing or ed to build longer words. While hints are available, it's wise to save them for those really tough levels where you're down to your last few words. They can be a lifesaver when you're truly stumped. To truly master word cookies, consistent practice is key. The more you play, the more your vocabulary will grow and your word recognition skills will sharpen. Always try to find all the possible words, not just the required ones, as bonus words earn you valuable coins. These coins can then be used for hints on future levels. Enjoy the satisfying feeling of completing each puzzle and expanding your word knowledge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.